Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard candy lollipops at home. First, gather your essential ingredients: sugar, corn syrup, water, and your chosen flavorings and colors. You'll also need lollipop sticks and a reliable candy thermometer. Make sure your workspace is clean and heat-safe, ready for the hot sugar mixture. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe candy-making process. Now let's cook the candy syrup. Combine your sugar, corn syrup, and water in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium-high heat, stirring gently until all the sugar dissolves. Once boiling, stop stirring completely. Insert your candy thermometer and continue cooking until the mixture reaches exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. Once your syrup reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, immediately remove it from the heat. Quickly and carefully stir in your desired flavorings and food coloring. Work fast, as the mixture will begin to cool and thicken. Then, carefully pour the hot candy into your prepared lollipop molds, inserting a stick into each one. Be precise to create perfectly shaped lollipops. After pouring, let your lollipops cool completely at room temperature until they are firm and hard. This can take about 20 to 30 minutes. Once cooled, carefully remove them from the molds. To keep them fresh and prevent stickiness, wrap each lollipop individually in cellophane. They make wonderful treats or gifts. Check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.